The episode starts with Ahilya doing her work. Sarja comes to her and asks her help. Dwarka comes and stops Ahilya. She says, "You want to do the same thing again?" Ahilya says, "No. Malhar will do everything. No need to call Dhannaji." Gotma comes. She says Ahilya wants to do great work and become Devi. So she is hesitant to take someone's help. Dwarka says yes. She got addicted to it. Gotma asks, "Do you think that Malhar cannot do anything without your advice?" Ahilya says, "No." Gotma says, "I told you, I have no such knowledge. I will tell Malhar. Even then, he will call you and know the problem. Like my words will mean something else." Gotma scolds Ahilya. She says, "I do not like to talk to you like this. You are not doing right." Ahilya cries. Anandi and her husband are hopeful about Ahilya. He says, "I feel Ahilya will do something to help us." The villagers call out Raiba. Raiba and Anandi go out and say Ahilya has seen our misery and said that she will help us. The villager says she is adharmi. Taking help from her is a sin. Anandi says no, she has a big heart. The villagers argue. Malhar is with Tukoji. He asks, "What do you think about the farmer's murder incident?" Tukoji gives him the updates. Malhar asks him to call Ahilya for the discussion. Tukoji says it would not be easy to get her. Malhar says, "Ask her to come. It's important matter." Tukoji says, "Right, but she would not come." Malhar goes to Gotma. She asks, "Where are you going?" He says, "I am going to meet Ahilya. I have to talk to her about Rajya matter." She says, "But we already spoke on it. Ahilya would not do any Rajya work." Malhar asks her to leave from his way. She can limit Ahilya, not him. She says Ahilya is stubborn and even you. He jokes and calls her stubborn. He says, "I just want to say that I want Khanderao to rule on this Rajya, not just Malwa but entire Maratha." She says, "I am afraid that Ahilya will impress people and her praise and fame will get ahead of Khanderao." He asks, "So you want to case Ahilya?" It's wrong. Rakma argues with Tukoji. She says, "You always do all the work, but others get the credit. What is the use to work so hard?" Ahilya is sensible. She can do her work on her own. He says, "I have no greed. It's my duty to help Ahilya and Khanderao." She says, "Gotma doesn't like Ahilya taking part on the Rajya work." He says just Ahilya thinks the best for the people. Not even Khanderao can get equal to her. Gotma says, "You have given much importance to Ahilya. What is there in her?" He says, "You know the region. We have many educated people in Rajya, but does not have such smartness like Ahilya. So I want to discuss the matter with her." She says, "Khanderao also believes that this Rajya cannot run without her, but it's not true." He goes to Ahilya's room. Maid says Ahilya is not in her room. Gotma asks, "Where did Ahilya go?" Tukoji says, "Sorry, I got late." He tells about the soldiers' Raiba. He says Gunuji used to pay the wages to the soldiers. Ahilya says many people did not get their wage.